Does Apple Pay have buyer protection? Does Apple Pay have buyer protection? Apple Pay does not provide its own buyer protection program, unfortunately. Instead, it relies on the protections offered by your underlying card issuer, for example, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, etc., and the merchant's policies. So, Apple Cash, when used through Apple Pay, also doesn't add extra buyer protection beyond what the card network provides. So, if you were wondering, does Apple Pay have buyer protection? Unfortunately, it does not. Apple Pay does not provide its own buyer protection program. Instead, it relies on the buyer protection that is offered by your card's issuer, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, or your bank. And Apple Cash also, when you use through Apple Pay, does not even also have an extra buyer protection beyond the card network that you are using.